Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here. Today we're talking about Aura rings. I absolutely love my Aura ring. It has been so phenomenal in helping me track my health and pinpoint issues that I was having with my sleep because my heart rate wasn't going low enough and things like that. It does so much. Check out the app here. Like seriously, it does so much. It tracks your sleep, your heart rate. Ladies, it tracks your period. It tracks your body temperature, blood oxygen, your heart rate variable. You can log your food. You can connect this to a glucose monitor. It does so many things, and it has just been one of the best purchases I've made. Definitely do a sizing kit before you get your ring because the sizing is a little bit different and you want to play around with how it feels on your finger. I've kind of bounced around on a few fingers on what finger I like it on, but definitely do the sizing kit because you'll be happy. And it's not traditional US sizing that it follows. So just be aware of that. But love my ring. I hope you do too.